Hello, my name is Adi Akbar. My last NPM number is 078. Consonant contrast analysis. My class is R4A. One minimal pair presenting consonant in initial and final positions. One pair sound, two initial position and last final position. The versus ke, tip versus keep, bad versus back, se versus ship, ship versus ship, bass versus bash, de versus ge, den versus gen, mad versus mag, v versus the, fat versus that, leaf versus this, meh versus ne, map versus nap, jam versus gen, j versus sh, chip versus ship, rage versus race, z versus j, zip versus zip, buzz versus beige, p versus t, pat versus tat, cap versus cat, v versus b, van versus ben, live versus lab. Explanations of each consonant pair. 1. Explanation. The voiceless alveolar plosive. Ke voiceless velar plosive. Explanation 2. Se voiceless alveolar fricative. Sh voiceless postaveolar fricative. Explanation 3. The voiced alveolar plosive. G voiced velar plosive. V voiceless labiodental fricative. Ch the voiceless dental fricative. Explanation 5. M voiced bilabial nasal. N voiced alveolar nasal. Explanation 6. C voiceless postalveolar fricative. S voiceless alveolar fricative. Explanation 7. Z voiced alveolar fricative. J voiced alveolar fricative. Explanation 8. P voiceless bilabial plosive. T voiceless alveolar plosive. Explanation 9. V voiced labiodental fricative. B voiced bilabial plosive. Phoneme comparison table. Phoneme explanation word, voicing, place of articulation, manner of articulation. The versus ke, tip versus keep, voiced both, alveolar versus velar plosive. Se versus sh, ship versus ship, voiceless both, alveolar versus postalveolar fricative. De versus ge, den versus gen, voiced both, alveolar versus velar plosive. V versus the, fat versus that, voiceless both, bila labiodental versus dental fricative. Tongue twister. Tommy took 10 teacups to Tokyo today. Focus the versus ke. 7 silent sheep should sleep soundly in a shaded seat. Focus se versus sh. Friendly frogs find funny things floating from the forest. That's number 3. Focus v versus the. Explanation of consonants in tongue twisters. Tongue twister 1. The voiceless alveolar plosive. Ke voiceless velar plosive. Tongue twister 2. Se voiceless alveolar fricative. Sh voiceless postal velar fricative. Tongue twister 3, voiceless labiodental fricative. The voiceless dental fricative. That's all for me.